show you, like, actually, like, I'm not joking around here. Okay, so here's my tiki room, right? We got like Shere Khan and Jungle Book.
Nice.
And there's my surfing Goofy. And
have you been collecting the stuff?
There's my Hula Mickey. And actually, what's really cool is these are actual masks and stuff that are actually in Tomorrowland or in Adventureland. I got them from Oceanic Arts, the same place that made all the stuff for Disneyland. So like this guy and like this guy you'll see at the park. And then I got like my Disney, oh shoot, there we go. Disney, and then my Lilo. Oh, and then check this out. This is pretty cool. This is the artist Noah who did the Jungle Cruise for me. And if it on here it says the Daring Drake.
What? You have your own boat. Oh my gosh.
And then what else do I have? I have this over here. It's like all tiki. And then you guys will know from the Polynesian. This light here is from the hotel. It's from the Polynesian hotel.
Really?
And then
and you got that legally, right?
I'm
just joking.
But then here's my living room.
So hold on. I have to bring up something that I saw. You had like an Instagram video or something the other day and you were dancing, but there was a Club 33 pillow and I was like super jealous that you have a Club 33 pillow and I needed to know the story behind. Yes, please talk about those. I really love them.
Club 33 ears, the old Club 33 logo ears before they changed the logo. Yeah, I'll tell you about Club 33. Here's my coffee table.
Oh my gosh. How long have you been collecting this stuff? Like all your life?
Yeah. Got like some old vintage Disneyland.
Oh, those are great.
Those are really
sweet. This is a Mickey from Club 33.
Oh, Tyler bought it.
There's the Four Seasons of Disneyland.
Yeah.
There's the castle. There we go. Everything's backwards. The castle, and then I have this wall here that's like vintage.
You just do like
Disneyland.
Cribs.
the House of Tomorrow, and like the all that stuff, and then my Avenida.
Is that like 3D?
Yeah. It's David Avanzino. He does these kind of like paper. He's like really cool. You can check out his art online. It's really cool. And then I got the band concert, and then my big Walt here.
Oh.
And this is another one of those like paper ones here. Let me lower the screen brightness. Hang on here. There.
Oh, wait.
So
is that the train going through?
Yeah, it's the train and Monstro and everything. Then it has Here You Leave Today and Enter the World of Yesterday, Tomorrow, and Fantasy. And then it's got like the old Utopia. But this is also kind of like 3D paper art. Then I've got the Hatbox Ghost. I mean, not the Hatbox, the Hitchhiking Ghost.
Yeah.
Hitchhiking Ghost. The birthday scene. And then this is one of my favorites, Mickey in front of the animation studios at Burbank. And then I have my Walt over my door here.
Oh, that's amazing.
Wow. And this is one of my favorite. This is David Evans, the same guy who did the Small World and that other paper one. He was doing like custom. You could go to the park and get like custom ones, and you'd make it whatever you want to say. And he uses like things from the park. So if you see here, it says Drakeland. It's the D from Disneyland sign. It's the R from the monorail. The A is the Matterhorn. The K is from the Tiki Room.
That's great.
And so on. Yeah. The N is from like the Jungle Cruise. The D is from the Disneyland Hotel. and then it has
my
the
gosh.
entrance
Really
thing.
today.
Plaque.
And then I
Yeah.
have
Wow.
the entrance to my tiki room is pretty cool. It's right here. He did this one too.
And you
So
got this from the
everything's-
park? Like he was making
Yeah.
it in the park?
Yeah, and then here's like the Adventureland one he did.
Dang.
Yeah. So anyway,
Wow,
that's
so
just
despite not being in the
little bit of
parks, it's
the-
like you're living out two lands of your
I
own,
think-
really.
I leave Disneyland and I come home to Disneyland. Yeah, pretty much.
That is special, and I want all of